Zhuzhou Ruideer located in the center of China, Hunan Province, adjacent to Guangdong Province. Now we have professional R&D team in mechanical design, mechatronics, material processing, metallurgy, and CVD coding etc. broken through foreign technology blockades in many fields and overcome the technical problems of the sintering equipment. In addition, we have built a 5G cloud-controlled sintering furnace engineering technology research center, cooling technology R&D center, and tool cutting test center. Ruideer always adheres to the spirit of Swiss precision, German quality, and Chinese smart manufacturing.